Good morning, guys. I got Dodge Journey 2014. It got misfire at cylinder 3, 5, and 4. You used to give me cylinder 1, right? So check all the ignition coils, spark plugs, wire. The power is not supplying correctly for some reason. And I look more into it. What I look like is Dodge. The PCM system had been replaced before, and that's part of that recall. And I believe this issue is common with the PCM issues. So I'm about to take it to the dealership, let them fix it up for the recall. And after that, I'll let you guys update on it. Even the ABS light is on, all kind of lights. It's like a Christmas tree, so I'll get it done.